Here is a repair that I'm going to try to make. First time I'm using the headband lights. I'm in a basement. There's a leak in this pipe. And here's, without any light, here's what I'm looking at. It'd be pretty hard for me to see that where the leak is at. Let's see, I'll take my camera without any light on it, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about maybe. Hello, and thank you for watching the video. Today I'm going to be trying out my VICTOPER headlamp. This is a headlamp that you can put around your head. The lights will actually be on your forehead, so you'll be hands-free. It has a flex strap with an adjustment for the size of your head, and then it has a top one here with an adjustment as well going over the crown of your head. Back here is where the batteries are. There are 2 batteries. They are rechargeable batteries. Currently they're charging, but here is a look at them. Okay. Now, yeah, when you get these and put them in, make sure that the shrink wrap is off, because it's going to be kind of hard to tell that it's on there. Yeah, I'm going to try it out for the first time on a job in the basement. You have a cord for recharging the light, and that is operated on a USB. Just plugs into the box there. Little dust cover. Once you unplug it, you can cover that up, and then it goes into the. I've got to go into a cube here, but it's USB. You put it in your laptop, computer, whatever. So some things to note that I've read is if it gets hot, you need to turn it off. It should, once it's fully charged, it should last anywhere from 3 to 5 hours, something like that. So let's say you're at 3 hours, 3.5 hours, and it gets really hot, then you need to turn it off, let it cool down. Another thing is if it starts to getting dim, don't keep using it. Turn it off at that point. Otherwise, it may not recharge. So, in other words, you don't want it to drop, the charge to drop too low for the for the charger to recognize it. So, yeah, if it gets dim, just turn it off at that point. Start charging it again. Let's see. I guess that's all I can think of right now. I think charge time is, I think it said 2 to 3 hours. So we're in this at about 35 minutes now, I guess. So I'll come back, and we're going to go in the basement with this for the first time and see how well it works. So stay tuned. Put it at an angle here, so that's a double light. I know you can't tell. It's the top and the bottom. That's 4 lights, 2 to each side. That's 6 lights, all the lights right there. That's all of the flashing. Okay, so yeah, I think the 4 is best for me, but I'll let you know as I continue to use the light. Okay, on the other side there is another. You got 2 smaller ones, 2 dimmer ones, 2 red ones, 2 red flashing, and then you're off. So that's all the lights. So yeah, 2 buttons, one on each side to control all the lights. We have 2 small lights. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the medium lights, and then the 2 in the center are the larger lights. Here is a repair that I'm going to try to make. First time I'm using the headband lights. I'm in a basement. There's a leak in this pipe, and here's, without any light, here's what I'm looking at. It'd be pretty hard for me to see that where the leak is at. Let's see, I'll take my camera without any light on it, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about maybe. Okay, now I'm going to try the headband light on this. Check that out. Alright, let's take it off. Look at that. Yeah, and it's not that dark as you see in here, and yeah, they're comfortable, not moving around. So yeah, nice to work with. Okay, here we are. It's about 9:30. It's just about as dark as it's going to get tonight. I thought I would try it out around the yard. This thing would be great for camping, I would think. Running, biking, you know, at nighttime. It's got this strobe. If you have an emergency situation. Let me show you what a tire looks like here. All right, so if you were in the dark, you know, you could probably use your phone, the light on your phone, but you know, you're not going to be hands-free unless you set it up some way. So I'm going to let you look at the tire, see what it looks like, and get an idea. So here's my wheel, got aimed at the lug nuts. Check that out, so much better. All right, let's take a little walk. Got to be kind of quiet. Some people may be sleeping now. All right, so here we are in the back. There's a wood line back here. I'm gonna hit the light. Look at that. That would be great on trails if you're camping. See pretty far too. Versus that. I think that's the best one right there. Check that out. Well, that'll be it for the VICTOPER headlight or headlamp. Came in a small box, a little bit of paperwork. Most of the information that I got from this was on the internet, on its site. You can visit that if you're interested. Also, it does claim to be waterproof, so that's another pretty good feature. Alright, thanks for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.